Friends, welcome to Max Me Education online classes. Today our topic profit and loss. These are the one of the basic concept in 5th, 6th standard, and also any competitive exam also we are using profit and loss. Okay, right. So first, cost price. What is the cost price? Whenever you have to purchase or brought, that is called cost price. So for example, when a shopkeeper is there, had sold some goods, but before selling, had a purchase somewhere. So here that is the price at which an article is brought or buying. Where we are, that is called cost price. Then after he sold, the shopkeeper sold. So that is it. What is the selling price? The price at which an article is sold. Okay, cost price means the shopkeeper buying somewhere and again he sold or selling. That is called selling price. So most of the time for our convenient, cost price we are showing CP. Okay, selling price we are showing SP. Okay, so on that, what is profit, what is loss? For example, so the cost price is smaller than selling price, we are getting profit. So for example, a shopkeeper buy a pencil 5 rupees, and sold it 6 rupees. So automatically selling price and cost price is greater than cost price. Then automatically he is getting benefit or profit. Okay, if that shopkeeper only is the cost of pencil is 5 rupees. And unfortunately, unexpectedly, he sold that pencil 4 rupees. Then automatically, this is selling price. He got loss. That is the loss. So whenever loss means the cost price is more. Whenever profit, the selling price is more. Okay. This is profit and this is loss. Next, overhead charges. What is overhead charges? Okay, for example, I have to purchase some goods somewhere and some goods I am find for 1,000 rupees. Then after transportation 50 rupees, and again they charges 20 rupees for Hamali. This total is 170. These 70 rupees called overhead charges. So what is we are treated? The 1,070 is we treat is a cost price. Won't take 1,000 is not a cost price. So other expenses. For example, you have to buy a bike, second-hand bike. I'm buying and I mend it. I have repaired some extra charges. So for example, I buy a bike 10,000 rupees, and repair and transport total we are getting 2,500. Total benefit is total cost price. This is the cost price, not 10,000. Whatever we have to, that is also we are treated overhead charges. That is called overhead charges. Next, based on this only, we are going to doing problems. Okay. Next, profit percentage. Profit by cost price into 100. Loss percentage. Loss by cost price into 100. Either profit or loss, both are we are calculate on cost price only. Okay, both are we are calculate on cost price, not taking selling price. Next, profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Based on this, I am giving one problem. A cycle which cost rupees 1890 is sold at a profit of rupees 270. What is the selling price of the cycle? What is the selling price of the cycle? So what cost price? Cost price is how much? 890 rupees. And profit means PA. P is equal to 270. What we have to find? Selling price. What is the selling price? Selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. Cost price plus profit. That is equal to 0, 6, 11, 2106, sorry, 2100, this is the selling price. Therefore, conclusion, the selling price of cycle is rupees 2160. Okay, right. Next, so is find profit or loss. First is given cost price. Cost price is rupees 172. Selling price is rupees 156. So first problem here. So observe here. So whenever here cost price is greater than selling price. Cost price is greater than selling price. Though he's got loss. How much loss? We have to find a loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. What is the cost price? 172 minus 156. We have to do subtraction. You are getting 16. You are getting 16 rupees loss. Loss how much? Rupees 16. Okay. Next. Again one problem. Second problem. Next to second problem. Observe here. So cost price and selling price. So here cost price is smaller than selling price. So cost price is smaller than selling price. Therefore he got profit. Definitely got profit. Therefore profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Selling price minus cost price. How much selling price? 168 minus 144. Doing subtraction. 164 minus 144. 4 to 24. Therefore, profit is equal to rupees 24. Okay? Right. Next, third problem, same like that only. So observe here, cost price is rupees 160. Selling price also rupees 160. But overhead charges is 5 rupees. So already though, first you have to net cost price. Net cost price. What is the net cost price means? Cost price plus overhead charges. Cost price plus overhead charges. That is equal to cost price is 160 plus 5. That is equal to 165. This is the cost price. So 160 is the selling price. So how compare what happened? Cost price is greater than selling price. Therefore, definitely you got loss. Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. That is equal to 165 minus 160. That is equal to loss is rupees 5. So all problems are like that only. So based on cost price and selling price. Okay. Next. So find profit or loss percentage. Find profit or loss percentage. How we are finding? So cost price is equal to rupees 3000. Selling price is 3600. So definitely you got profit. How much profit? Then after profit percentage. So first problem. Cost price, selling price or cost price. Selling price is smaller than, cost price smaller than selling price. That is equal to 3600 minus 3000. That is equal to 600 rupees is the profit. Profit is 600 rupees. Profit is 600 rupees. What we have to find? Profit percentage. Profit percentage. So here I have to remember one thing. Cost price and selling price. The easy method. So cost price is always 100%. Cost price is always 100%. Either loss or profit or loss. Loss or benefit, whatever it may be. Cost price is whenever going percentage, cost price treat as a 100. Then what we have to find? Percentage is asking. Okay, profit percentage is asking. Okay, so first, before that, profit percentage is equal to profit by cost price into 100. So profit percentage I want, profit percentage. Profit 600, cost price is 3000 rupees 100. 2 zeros, 0, 0. Okay? 3 1 ja, 320. Therefore, profit percentage is equal to 20%. Simple thing. First problem is over. Next, second problem. So, cost price is rupees 1000 rupees, selling price 1200. So, selling price is more than cost price, automatically got profit. So, profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, that is equal to 1200 minus 1000, that is equal to 200 rupees. That is a profit. So what we have to find? We are going for the profit percentage, that is equal to profit by cost price into 100. Profit by cost price into 100. So what is the profit here? 200 rupees. Cost price is 1000 into 100. Okay? Right. So here 2 zeros, 2 1s are 2 5s are. 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 2 1s are 5s are. 5 1s are, so 520 are. Same here also, profit percentage is 20%. Okay? Next, third problem. Same, we are going for the third problem. So, third problem. What is given? Selling price, cost price is rupees 360, selling price is 240. Now we are changed. So, cost price is more than selling price. Definitely he got loss. Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. What is the cost price? Rupees 360. Selling price how much? 240. That is equal to 120. 120. So loss percentage is equal to loss by cost price. Either profit or loss, we are taking only cost price. Loss by cost price into 100. How much loss? 120 by 360 into 100. Okay? 0 0, 12 1s are 12 3s are. That next 33.33%. Therefore, loss percentage is equal to 33.33%. Okay? Next. Find the cost price. Selling price rupees 432, loss 10%. First problem. So first, whenever is given percentage and finding cost price, selling price, what you have to do? First you have to write cost price. So I have to take cost price and selling price. Okay? How much is given selling price? 432. What we have to find? We have to find the cost price. I don't know cost price. Just I am assuming X. Okay? Next is given percentage. Simple, always cost price is 100%. Already I thought just before only. Next. So loss means you have to do subtraction. That is equal to 100 minus 10, that is equal to 90%. This is 100%, this is 90%. 100 minus 10, 90%. Simply how to do cross multiplication. 432 into 100 is equal to 90 into x. What is the x? Is the cost price. We have to find x only, that is the cost price. Therefore, x is equal to 432 into 100 by 90. 0, 0 get cancelled. Now, 9 1s are 9, 9 4s are 36, 7 is remainder, 9 8s are, that is equal to, x is equal to 480. That is the selling price, that is the cost price. Therefore, cost price is equal to 480. Okay? This is for whenever is given selling price. Profit and loss. If loss means subtractions. If profit means you have to add. Okay? Next we are going for the again one problem. Observe here. So first one cost price. Second one is selling price. What is the selling price? Selling price 5,500. We have to find a cost price. Just I am assuming x. So cost price is always 100%. Blindly keep your mind. So profit means you have to add. That is equal to 100 plus 10. That is equal to 110%. Simply do cross multiplication. This is very easy and short way. So 110 into x is equal to 5,500 into 100. Okay? Right. Next. X is equal to 5,500 into 100 by 110. 0, 0 get cancelled. 0, 0 get cancelled. 11 1s are 11, 11 5s are 500. X is equal to 5,000 rupees because 500 into 10, 5,000. 5,000. Therefore, cost price is equal to 5,000. Cost price is 5,000. Simple thing. Next problem. Find the selling price. So before is given cost price and loss percentage. Then you find a cost price. Now is given cost price, you have to find a selling price. Okay. So first already know first problem cost price and selling price. Now is given cost price is 625, selling price we have to find. So is given gain. So cost is always 100. Gain means had to add. That is equal to 104. 104. What we have to find a selling price. Simply do cross multiplication. 100 into x is equal to 625 into 104. X is equal to 624 into 104 by 100. Okay. 25 4s are 25 25s are 4 1s are 4 2s are 8 4 6 are. Multiply getting x is equal to 650. What is the selling price? Therefore, selling price is equal to rupees 650. Okay. Next second problem. Next we are going for the second problem. Same like that only. Observe here. So cost price and selling price. What is the cost price? 16 rupees. We have to find the selling price. He is given loss. He is given loss 5%. How much percentage? 5%. So 100% is always calculate 100. So loss means 95 only because 100 minus 5, 95. Doing cross multiplication. 100 into x is equal to 16 into 95. X is equal to 16 into 95 by 100. Okay? Simple. It multiply being this denominator. 5 20s are 5 19s are 4 4s are 4 5s are. Simplify are getting x is equal to 15.20. Therefore, selling price is equal to rupees 15 rupees 20 paisa. Okay, next is the part 1 for profit and loss. Based on these problems only, how to do a lot of problems. Next we are going for second part. We are going in deeply in second part. Thank you students. Thank you for watching my